Hi, I'm Atreyu, also known as Geology Journeyman. Let me tell you a little about rocks and myself. I like them. They're really cool. The best part about rocks is how they can help you understand the world around you. They've done it for me at least. For reference, I'm from the Portland metro area, and there's basalt all around us, and one who knows how basalt like this forms might be curious how it's so prevalent here. Well, I can tell you directly how it got here and the different layers of basalt we have here in Oregon. I've always loved geology and I've loved all things natural sciences. So I think this is the best way for me to channel that love. Additionally, being an Eagle Scout, I got to see these ecosystems firsthand and experience what it's like out in these environments, seeing and being a part of nature in such a strong and beautiful way. So, the culmination of my work for the past few years is this Field Geology Friday. This is going to be a collection of lessons that I give to you, the viewer, completely for free. And the best part is that this video is about me and why you should continue to see my adventures. Let's talk about that. So briefly, a little bit about me real quickly. I'm a geology student at Oregon State University in Corvallis, Oregon. As I mentioned earlier, I like to read documents and such on all things geology and prehistory. Some of my favorite works involve glacial geology, big fan there. And for the one person who might watch this, paleoclimatology, yeah, I know, rep that shit. But my focus is more biologic prehistory, dinosaurs and such. And I've been stretching out into stuff like igneous geology, which is really cool. If you get any time, study it. Study your local mountains if you have any. They're awesome. I also really love early human history and early American history. The creation of the West is one of the most fascinating parts of Western geology to me. And honestly, one of my videos I want to do is the formation of the Rockies, but I can't do it super well. So I'm just gonna shout out the dude who's inspired me to do this. Nick Zenter has a great video on the formation of the Rockies and how it kind of happened. If that has any strength to its I will make a video on it. Just let me know. Additionally, throughout my time at OSU, I have also built a strong love for geology around my home, like the Chehalem mountain range, which will be our first adventure. So watch out for that one, lesson 4. But, we're taking a class here. This is a summer class for you all. There will be a test at the end. So let's talk about your course content. Over the summer, I will be discussing the basics of geology. The first lesson will be on basic field geology skills and taking you all on adventures with me as we unravel what is beneath our feet. A tentative list of places we'll be going is Chehalem Mountain / Bald Peak area, the Oregon coast, Eastern Oregon hopefully, and looking at the Cascade Range. Virtually, we can explore many other places like the Rockies or the Himalayas, whatever there is interest for and whatever I start getting hyper-focused on. Last, I want to end our series and our class here with a few videos on some more fine basics, like what Steno's principles are, basic mineralogy guide, and what the rock cycle really is. And our final conclusion to this will be a large journey and some talk about tectonic hazards and current day events that we need to talk about. Overall, I hope I can see as many of you join me on these great adventures. And do remember to take notes. You're in class now. I'm excited to see you all there, joining me from beautiful lands, great parks, and learning some awesome new skills. And with that, I hope to see you all each Friday with a brand new event. Thank you for watching, and rock on.